It's 87 degrees outside and it's a perfect day for chili. Okay, our first step is going to be to cut the onions and crush the garlic. Garlic! It's such an exciting thing. It's the garlic. Your onions. Oh my god, that stinks. Wow.
You want me to do it?
No thanks. So emotional. Now we're gonna take the skin off of the garlic. Sorry.
Why are you smushing it?
Just so it helps get the skin off. Oh man. Okay, now we're mincing the garlic. And then we're gonna put it in with the...
You see those muscles, buddy? Do you need some help?
Yes. So now we're going to brown the beef in a pot with the onions and the garlic. Oh, there's paper on it. Adios. And then we're going to plop this on top of there.
Your turn.
Good job. Can you start the next one?
Let me get that off. Just open it. Okay. It floats. It's a Canadian float.
Squeeze. Keep going.
Squeeze till you pop.
Oof, ow.
There we go.
You're welcome.
What way?
Either way.
How's it going, Chef?
Good.
What are you doing here?
Just chopping the beef and making sure that it doesn't burn.
You're making sure you don't burn your fingers too? Okay. Is this the first time you've done something like this?
Not really.
Not really. What else have you done?
I've done eggs, and it's kind of like this because you have to do the turning and stuff.
Oh yeah, when you're doing scrambled eggs.
Yeah, and you don't want to and you have to do it not a certain way, but you want to do it just right.
I see. Okay. We'll come back to you.
Okay.
So what are you adding now?
So now we're adding tomato sauce, tomato paste, and I forget how much broth, but it's
What kind of broth?
Beef broth.
Are you going to add anything else?
We're adding paprika.
Paprika?
Yeah, chili powder.
Oh, okay. So it's just
You're using the
tomatoes,
wrong side of that.
tomatoes and beef and onions and broth and chili powder. Is there anything else you're using?
Garlic.
Garlic?
We are actually only adding tomato paste, tomato sauce, kidney beans, chili powder, a half cup of water, and broth.
You measure out the chili powder?
You'll stir while you do that.
How many teaspoons?
4, Chef.
That's what I thought. Thank you, assistant.
You can use the lid to scrape it off.
As my assistant, you correct me. Oh.
Pull it up. There you go. That's a lot.
Yeah.
It's okay. Keep going. Slide it out. Here you go.
2, 3, kind of.
Try not to cough into the food. That would be
I know.
awesome.
Yeah, it would.
It's very important.
This is our fourth one. System to take notes.
Notes. What am I taking notes of?
How awesome I am at being a chef.
You
And
gonna?
how you are not. Do all these,
Yeah.
and we're going to do a whole can of beans.
2 cans of beans.
2 cans. 2 cans of kidney beans.
2 cans.
2 cans of kidney beans.
Okay. Stir, stir.
How long are we gonna let it simmer for, Chef?
15 minutes.
Okay. I can't wait to see how it turns out. What sort of accompaniments do you like to have with your chili?
I like to have oyster crackers.
Do we have oyster crackers?
Yes, we do.
Where are they?
I'm not exactly sure at the moment. Wait. We got big giant oyster
They're
crackers.
the biggest honkin' oyster crackers you've ever seen.
Alright. We'll come back at dinner time. Do you like anything else with your chili?
Sometimes I like just regular crackers.
Just regular?
I like this with my chili.
He likes sriracha.
Okay, assistant.
I also like cheese with my chili.
Cheese with my chili too. Some people like cornbread with theirs.
Oh, we can make hush puppies. Hush puppies. Here we go.
Now for the moment of truth. Not that we didn't know that it was going to be good.
It looks like chili.
All right. 2. Wow, somebody's growing.
Just to be safe.
Okay.
To make sure it doesn't get wasted.
You gonna put anything in it?
Yeah.
Any of our various sundry
I'm going
things?
to put... Yeah, that goes first.
What's that?
These
Oh,
are
those Mama Jamas.
oyster crackers. Where do you rip it?
Here it is, moment of truth. Seth gonna give it a taste.
Get my apple juice ready.
Alexia's dying to know how it is.
I know. It was delicious!
Okay.